How to fix jump desktop from macOS not uninstalling. Here's a script that can be used to uninstall jump desktop from macOS. #bin/bash echo uninstalling jump desktop. #remove the jump desktop application sudo rmrf/application/jump desktop.app. #remove the jump desktop helper tool sudo rmrf/library/application support/jump desktop/ #remove the jump desktop preferences defaults delete jump desktop mac. Echo jump desktop has been uninstalled. To use the script, simply save it as a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_jump_desktop.sh, make it executable with the command mod+x uninstall_jump_desktop.sh, and then run it with the command /uninstall_jump_desktop.sh from the terminal. Note that you may need to enter your administrator password to complete the uninstallation process. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.